This is Last Garden Standing, and I'm just going to give you a small shot here. Haven't been back to you for a few weeks, but take a look at that little plant right there. It's an early girl, but look how short it is. Kind of like a dwarf. But look how it is loaded with tomatoes. Something happened to its growth. Here is the other early girl I planted. We'll just go over here. And look how big that one is, clear up to the window and beyond. Well, it too has lots of flowers. There's lots of them there. And it too has lots of tomatoes coming on. Look at all that, and that big old cluster too. But this one is just huge. Now, we had a lot of weather here in northern Utah that went from cold to hot to extremely cold and hot again. Hot weather will stunt your plants. Here it is, that little tiny plant. I don't think it's going to get any taller, but we're still going to get some good tomatoes from it. The weather does play a big part. Also, too much fertilizer will do it, but I hadn't really fertilized it. I do believe it was our weather pattern. These both are early girls. We have some more over here. Just going to take a walk. We have tons of tomatoes out there that are canning tomatoes. They're Rudigers, Mariglobes, and Porters. They're intermixed with peppers as well. They're all growing pretty good. There's a big one back there, a few big ones clear in the back. And this one over here is another early girl, which is also growing quite well. However, it's got a few flowers on top. It's got some tomatoes on the bottom, tomatoes in the middle. So it's doing okay, that one. But I had to show you the stunted little early girl that I have. Very, very funny. So cover your tomatoes in spring when it's going from cold to hot. Actually, this was in June and July that this happened, so I had no idea we were going to have weather patterns like that. But that's how short that little guy is. I just had to show you. This is Last Garden Standing. Share, like, and subscribe if you would. And watch my other videos. I have some herbal videos coming up as well. Thank you for watching, and thank you all my subscribers. Bye-bye.